name's Sam.
Sam.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Sam. All right.
Let's get this bread.
Today's the day that we go do a little boat tour privately. Sam, are you also the boatman?
Yes, boatman Sam.
Perfect. Everybody got their mushrooms that we picked from the bush yesterday to eat?
Yeah.
For dinner later?
I vacuum sealed it.
Cool. There we go. What are you guys doing over there? I'm just eating mango. Look at how beautiful it is over there. Could just be the mushrooms kicking in, but I'm pretty sure it's beautiful. We didn't do a lot, but we're all feeling it now, which is great because this looks gorgeous.
Whoa.
Probably looks better for us because of the additional colors, but this is also gorgeous. Look at how blue that water is right there. We're starting to giggle. Look at that smile on Paul's face. This is your idea, by the way. It is. What's this island called?
Klum.
Koklum?
First
Nice.
stop.
Yeah. Can we go there or no? Not allowed.
No. Between.
No, like can we go on the beach or no?
On the beach in the
Okay.
beach.
But is this national park?
No.
It's not. Okay.
if
So we could go. What?
So if we have to go pee, but I could just go in the water. I'd take a shit.
Well, somebody's feeling good.
No, not at all.
Just go in the water, bro. Good looking fish.
Really not even there.
It's just you and me. We're like, oh my god, it's so amazing right now.
Yo.
He did the most.
All loving it.
Yeah. Come on up.
You're not even putting the snorkel on. You're not.
I can't. I keep laughing. As soon as I see the fish, I just fucking laugh.
Look at where we are, dude. Great time to be peeking on fucking mushrooms. We did the right amount. Any more and you'll be like cool on the boat having a heart to heart with that guy.
I feel good.
I feel good too.
Until I see the trees and I realize how fucked up I am.
Yeah. The trees are a great way to tell. How you feeling, Brad?
Feel good. Cool fish over there. Not just watching their lifestyle. I don't know.
You're not even speaking English, dude.
My nose is covered, right? I got water in my nose.
Definitely pretty cool on a little bit of mushroom. Okay, I'm a fucking idiot. This is what mushrooms does to you. I like kept looking at this boat. I'm like, this isn't our boat. This is our boat. I look this way. I looked around. Where did our boat go? This is it. But I gotta say, swimming underwater in the shade like this, near the boat with all the fish, it might not look that cool to you guys on the GoPro. But holy fuck, does it look cool to me right now? It looks pretty freaking cool. Dude, you can't beat this right now, man. Like a gram of shrooms, just a little tiny bit. Hanging out with the boys. Dude, the best way to tell how I'm feeling is when I look at this watermelon. It's like, oh, we did the perfect amount, put it that way. Any more, we would have been fucking drowning out there.
That looked like it hurt. It kind of did a little bit. You just big smile on your face, Paul. Oh, dude, I'm tripping. Lay on your back and just close your eyes. You realize how fucked up you are.
Yeah, you're gonna get burnt though, dog. Turn around.
So.
Turn around.
Sure, that'd be awesome.
This is red. I don't think you put sunscreen there at all. No, here.
Oh, what the fuck?
Could you put any more on?
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Turn this way. You fucking greased right up.
Like a fish.
You grease ball. Oh, dude, chill, man. You have enough on, bro.
Well, double checking. I don't know.
All right, we're off to the next spot. This was great, though. Yeah, I can get your back. I don't think I need any more, though, bro, to be honest. I think I could just scoop it off somewhere else. Just sit down, dude. Okay, okay. Wait, don't move, don't move. What the hell is going on?
I do a little bit more.
Putting more on?
No, it's not. I'm gonna do a little bit more.
Oh. Bruh. We're coming up to the next island or beach that we can. I think we're gonna eat and hang out here for a while. Beauty. Look at that. You don't think it's gonna get better, and then it keeps getting better, you know?
Yeah, honestly.
Look at this. Ah. Look at that, picture perfect, man. We're just gonna roll up with our music and remain on the parade.
Most beautiful place I've ever seen.
Look at the water. There's not a wave in sight, man. The waves aren't even existent here.
I want to figure out where this place is and stay here for a fucking few days.
Yeah, dude. This is gorgeous. These are all hotels. Cole's just face down in the water, doesn't move.
Doing the dead man's float.
Yeah. Just loving life.
He's in his own world, man. As he should be.
As he should be. It's just so funny watching from afar. That's all. It's hilarious. Like, AKA, yes, shrooms and snorkeling is really fun. Exhibit A. Funniest thing. He just doesn't move. It's like, oh, are you okay? Like,
I want to throw something at him.
you should. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is hilarious to look at. Oh. Hey. Hey! Do that again. I missed most of it.
Oh, there's cold water in there. Just chasing it.
If you didn't hear what he said, it's cold water and he's chasing it down there.
I'm going down there.
I gotta go feel it out for myself. You're right. Pretty chill down there.
How you feeling, Cole?
Great.
Cody? Good. Vibing? Life is good.
Like, can you beat this? Dude, Cole, come here and put your leg up so everyone on YouTube can see. No, like, give me a back leg. Oh, buddy. Those things are burnt, bro.
It's pretty bad. It's weird how one is more burnt than the other.
This one's worse, right?
Yeah, definitely.
I feel it's further
You feel
around.
that too.
Fuck, where the fuck's...
He's like mad.
Where's that fucking bottle?
Where is that shit? Well, there was some cold water. That felt good. Yeah, I get what Cole was doing down there. Just getting the front side, eh?
Yeah.
We're all fucking fried. Like, show the back of your legs again. Oh, first of all, your upper back. Oh, buddy, you got a fucking
Upper back or lower?
like lower back, but like apparently I got it pretty bad in the back too. We've been putting sunscreen on all day, but we're past that point now. Had some delicious food. He said, yeah, you can go to the beach if you want, whatever. I said, I think swimming here in this gorgeous water is all we want. This is great. He's it's like a whale when it sleeps, right? Me and Cody are in the shade at this point.
Yeah.
Actually, that was Cole's plan, but he's
Drifted out.
he's drifted away from his original plan a little bit. I don't think he realizes how far. When he comes up, he'll be like, "Oh fuck!"
Oh shit, my back.
Hey,
Far away now, eh?
you're in the sun, bruh.
Oh, fuck that.
What a great day.
This is a fucking perfect day.
We clearly don't have a fear of deep water or ocean water. That fear's gone.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
If there was a fear, it's not there anymore. Oh, the whale's back. The Canadian small whale is attracted to the shade. Just loving the undercarriage of that boat, eh? Can't get enough of that fucking boat.
Nice looking boat. Let's go right.
Hey. Hey Sam, what's this island called?
Oh, Kauai.
Kauai?
Yes, Kauai Paradise.
Kauai Paradise. That's right. Kauai Paradise. And it is paradise. Paul's gone. We lost him.
I see him.
Oh, there he is. Way out there.
This is fun. I love just being in the water.
I know you do. You also love doing mushrooms.
Yeah, it's a great combo.
I already came down from the trippy part of the trip. I'm just enjoying the after effects. Still smiley and really giggly and whatever. I like that. I'm not like Cole over there. Working on a fucking back tan. Oh. Oh, that couldn't have felt good. How was that?
We think we go on another island.
Okay, sure.
Another one?
Apparently.
Alright.
Hey, Cole!
Yeah, sure.
What's that?
What a view.
What a view. So what island is this?
Lão Gia Lê. Lão Gia.
Khao Ya.
Lão Gia no.
Leo
Lão Gia no.
Leo Ya no.
Yes, Lão Gia no.
Leo Ya no. We're gonna go to the island. Dude. They're making their way. I just hurried up because my back's so fucking burnt. I can't sacrifice any more sun time on my back. Look at this fucking thing. I think it's burnt. Look at this, dude. Only ones here. Not a person in sight besides them, but they're gone. Look at this white sand. Now this is nice. You can almost tell like a boat driver, hey, take me to this island, leave me here for 6-7 hours, have a picnic, a whole whack load of beer. Like, look at this sand, man. This is amazing. Ugh. Beautiful. We fucked today up, bruh. Today didn't stand a chance.
Nope.
For fuck's sakes, eh? See yours? Damn. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna be a rough day tomorrow. And there goes the only other people that were here. Beauty about getting your own private boat like we did today. We paid 5,500 baht. So when you're splitting it with your buddies, it's not that bad. And now, with the private boat, we're on our own time schedule. And you know, maybe in high season there might be a bunch of boats here. We're here by ourselves. Damn near sunset. Doesn't get much better than this. Gotcha.
Oh, big time.
You're in a trance, eh?
Oh, yeah.
You're in like 3 feet of water all hunched over. It's so funny, dude. Sorry, get back to what you're doing.
I will, easily.
Alrighty, we're off. Look at that back tan.
You drunk?
You're
drunk?
You're good.
A little bit drunk?
Yes.
Thanks, brother.
Hey,
Tip.
Okay.
Couple ma cup.
That
was the best, man. Seriously, it was so good. Go home and shower.
Yeah. And you like to have pizza or no?
Huh? Happy ending?
Happy hour
Oh, okay.
and pizza.
Okay. Come back.
Cole, you're really excited about that, eh?
Very happy something.